If you use Outlook regularly, one small setting can save you from sending embarrassing typing mistakes in your emails. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on spell check in Outlook step by step. The process is quick, beginner-friendly, and only takes a few clicks. So whether you're writing work emails, school assignments, or important messages, this feature can help make your writing look more professional and polished. Let's jump right into it. To get started, first open the Outlook desktop application on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Outlook is fully open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here, click on New Mail. This will open a fresh email draft window where you can compose a new message. After the New Mail window appears, you'll notice several tools and options across the top section of the screen. This area is called the ribbon, and it contains many settings related to writing and formatting your emails. Now, look carefully toward the top right side of the option called Editor. Once you find it, click on Editor. This will open Outlook's editing and writing assistance settings. The Editor feature helps improve your writing by checking grammar, spelling, punctuation, and clarity while you type your emails. After the Editor panel opens, move your attention toward the bottom section of the window. Here, you'll see an option labeled Customize Your Editor. Click on that option to access more detailed writing and correction settings. Now you'll enter the Customization area, where Outlook allows you to control different writing assistance tools according to your preference. You'll see several sections and options related to corrections and suggestions. Look for the section named Corrections. This is the area responsible for checking mistakes in your emails. Under the Corrections section, you'll find the Spelling option. If the spelling feature is currently turned off, simply click the toggle to enable it. Once you turn it on, Outlook will immediately begin checking your spelling automatically while you type emails. Whenever there's a spelling mistake, Outlook will underline the word and often provide correction suggestions to help you fix the error quickly. This feature is extremely useful because it helps prevent accidental spelling mistakes before sending important emails. It also improves professionalism and makes your messages easier to read and understand. Another helpful thing about Outlook's Editor tool is that it works in real time. That means you don't have to manually check your entire email at the end. Outlook continuously scans your writing as you type, helping you catch mistakes instantly. If you write emails daily for work, school, business, or communication with clients, turning on spell check can save you time and help avoid misunderstandings caused by typing errors. You can also explore other options inside the Editor settings, including grammar suggestions, punctuation improvements, and writing clarity recommendations. These extra tools can make your emails sound cleaner and more professional overall. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, enabling spell check in Outlook is a very simple process that only takes a minute or two, but it can make a huge difference in the quality of your emails. I hope this tutorial helped you successfully turn on spell check in Outlook. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials just like this one. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Outlook feature you'd like to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Quick recap. Open Outlook desktop app, click New Mail, click the three dots, select Editor, open Customize Your Editor, go to Corrections, turn on Spelling.